Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a weekly sales report in Excel. So let's begin. Open your document, then type total weekly sales. Apply the same process for another sales. Use to this formula for total weekly sales sum D2 D11. Press enter. Total profit equal sum E2 E11. Total products sold. Then use weekly sales summary. Weekly sales summary. Data select A1 D11. A1 D11. Insert pivot table. Go to insert tab, pivot table. Click OK. Then uncheck mark. Hold click week, rows and sales amount. Hold click values. OK. Again click sheet on weekly sales chart. Insert column chart. Select, go to insert tab, recommended chart, all chart, column chart. Choose your column chart style. Okay, example, use first on. Then use top selling product. Apply the same process. Insert tab, pivot table, recommended, hold click product or check mark and values 180. Again create a new sheet, type dashboard. Okay, then insert it. Use press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V, then equal, press enter. Again press Ctrl C or copy chart, press Ctrl V. Adjust to this pivot table, apply the same process. Select, press Ctrl C or copy, press Ctrl V. Press Ctrl C, press Ctrl V. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.